everybody, it's Brian and Dolly and Lizzie coming to you from the Wiggins Garden this morning. Lizzie's running the camera, and we just wanted to share with you and invite you into our garden, show you around a little bit about what we've done over the past few years. We started out with just a couple little raised beds with some tomatoes, spinach, lettuce, just some things that we like for our salads. And over the years, we've just kind of added on and grown. And most recently, last year, I believe it was, we actually added a garden area from where we used to have our dogs in this fenced area right here, where now we've got them up at the house. And so we had this area that was already fenced we decided to use for the garden. So come on, let me show you around a little bit. We're kind of late in the season, so the garden's starting to die down some for the year. We're about to plant our fall crops. And so we did have lettuce, kale in these rows right here, corn over next to it. We've got some raised beds with tomatoes and kale and cucumbers climbing up here. Asparagus, tomatoes. We planted some flowers to bring in pollinators. Even incorporated Brooks's old Tonka truck here with some wildflowers right below the grape trellis right here. And then this is our melon patch, which it kind of took over at some point. It has still, it looks like a couple of watermelons, and we have some cantaloupes in it. A couple more raised beds over here. Tomatoes. Giant. This blackberry bush has just really taken off, and boy, we had some delicious blackberries this year. I really enjoyed having those. Got some blueberry bushes. All right, so thanks for joining us this morning. And again, we just wanted to share what has brought joy to us. Sometimes I just like to come out here and get my hands in the dirt after a long, hard day. I don't know what it is, but there's something about it that's just therapeutic. I just dig the dirt, pull the weeds, and then grabbing those vegetables and fruits and bringing those in to our table in the house. And the sustainability and provision for our family is just amazing, not to mention the freshness of the vegetables and the fruits. Ooh, yeah, good job, Lizzie. So anyway, we would encourage any of you to grow a garden, no matter how large or small. It would be something I feel like you, your family, and your friends would just really enjoy getting into. Have a great day.